Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to customize your side button, your power key. So for this, you will have to go into Settings, Advanced Features, and you have here Side Button. So you have the option to double press. At the moment this is on, so you can open the camera if you double press it. Let's try. Yes, that's right. And you can open an app, whichever app you like. You can customize it as settings if you wish. If you double press it, it will open the settings for you. Of course, now the settings are open. Let's see. Of course, you don't want to do that. For the camera, I would say it's more useful, but however way you like it, that's good. Now press and hold with Bixby. I don't know how many people use Bixby. Normally I would prefer to use it as power off, as a power off button, but again, it's entirely up to you. Whichever way you like to use it, that's good for you. But this with the double click, it's a good way to open your camera quickly. For example, if you want to take a quick snap of something, I find this useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.